punch you. Soon they come and punch you, you fall like this. Then they come and they kick you. Cover yourself, then cover. That's what you need to understand. Cover like this. Cover and cover. Then he stamp the feet, boom, like that. Then he come down to punch. And this is what happened. You're learning to cover here, then that leg will come in. While that leg coming in, you understanding the leg of coming in, you turn your body quickly from here to this particular movement here. As the hand in pain, quickly you turn this hand like this. That's when you can throw him down like this. This is how you can get able to get him down the floor. You can't go him like this, so you turn your hand like this already. As you're doing this fit inside here like this. Okay, down the floor. While you're here, you bring him in here, grab your leg like this, and then choke him like this. Okay, this is how you choke him when you work on this particular movement there. So back again. When you work on understanding this basic movement, is learning about when you punch, learn about how to go. Then cover. Cover yourself when you're doing the movement like that. As you're doing this is what happened. Learn to understand that. Then when he punch, he go down, see? That's when the leg in. Normally haven't got a hand here, that straight to the boom to the head already. That's where the toe is, right to the temple here. That's why this hand is no use. When you come up, then you can take time to come up. Bang on head, because he's not understanding what's going on here, boom. And understanding here is that you can break the arm. Soon as you've done that, this hand turn your hand as your body come up like this. That's why this hand already in line like this, turn. I can go like this, watch. He have to go from here, okay? That's the whole idea. Learning from this particular movement, bring him into here, then this hand here come across underneath the throat here. So you drop him, grab here, and then turn like this. So here, 1, 2, then you come back here, like that. 1, boom, like this. Change the position here, stay there, and then boom, like that. On this side when you punch, okay, turn, punch. To change the body, yeah. So learn about the body change. This is what happened here. Hit, that's where come in, boom. Come back here, boom, like that. Boom, like that. Down to the rock hole, knee. Maybe you get an idea. Hook this and turn this. Control the line. Yeah. Kick. As they come and punch me, for instance, that's where I'm gonna push it down. So the idea when you come to this, you kick like this and then pull. Which one gives you a problem? This bit. This one. And that's what happened on this particular movement there while you do that. Maybe. Then I say boom. Then I say you disappear. Then you have problem when you walk like this. You control. That's where you control him. Hit me. It's gonna be hard. Hit me. Then I control now. Right. And again, the pressure will go in here, and he will keep the pressure onto my leg here. Then changing back, like that. This hand is already up here. This is the fact, already land on his body. But really do the damage to him. My leg here. And he learning, and I'm learning. That's the whole idea of learning this.
Yeah.